welcome back to another episode of Tech in the News. Today, Pokemon Go players spent $8.9 million on Saturday, the highest total since the game's release in 2016. And then the following day spent another $8.6 million. This article comes to us from Ryan Craddock of NintendoLife.com. He says that Pokemon Go has just recorded its highest daily player spending total since July 2016, the month in which the app first launched. Pretty much the reason for this, it's because there was an event that happened over a 2-day weekend, Saturday and Sunday, and it cost $14.99 for players to join, and they were able to catch over 75 new species of Pokemon appearing in the wild and in raids. Essentially, it's just an amazing number for a mobile game that's well over 4 years. Well, it's coming out. Well, now it's just at 4 years old. Can be generating that much revenue in just a 2-day weekend still. Game Industries Biz reports that Pokemon Go has generated $539 million since the start of 2020 alone. That is an insane amount of money, bringing its lifetime revenue to almost $3.7 billion. Not bad for something, not bad total for something which has only been around for 4 years. That is a crazy amount of money. Imagine having a $1 billion industry all located within one app on your phone. That is insane. If you put in the entire Pokemon franchise and how much money that brings out together, that is just an unfathomable amount of money. But Pokemon has just been so popular since it started. I don't know if it started back in the late 80s, or I know it did in the 90s. Still amazing stuff. And so I guess that's all it really is for this news. Is just the amount of money that Pokemon Go is still able to generate. Besides that, I've seen other, mobile games come and go, Clash of Clans, other stuff like that. None really were as groundbreaking, I would say, as Pokemon Go, which brought in the real world and also the favorite, world that is Pokemon that so many people love around the world. So it's a lot. So anyways, that's all I had for today's Tech in the News. If you have a favorite mobile game or think there's a game that is better than Pokemon Go, please let me know. And honestly, I don't think the numbers or the financial gains will be able to beat it, but still, please let me know down in the comments. And thank you for watching. This was Tech in the News for July 28th, 2020.